didn't teach you?
Thank you for that wonderful question, Miss Zoe. I can say that as an individual, as a student, and as a perpetualite, I'd be lying if I were to tell you guys that I do not procrastinate. And that is one of my most personal setbacks. The fact that I give into the procrastinational monkey makes things a little bit too hard for me in my academics. And for that to reflect on that particular attitude of mine, I must reflect and communicate with my parents to ask for their guidance, also to my peers, to show them that being vulnerable is also okay, to show that being a true leader, asking help, there is nothing wrong with that. And